In today's video, I'm going to show you the best websites for free stock photos and exactly how you can use them in your projects without spending a single dollar. If you're a blogger, YouTuber, designer, student, or business owner, having access to high-quality images is essential, and the good news is there are amazing free resources available online. I'll walk you step by step through one of the best platforms and show you how to download and use images the right way. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software and web tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage your posts, pages, and media. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can decide where you want to use your stock photo, whether it's for a blog post, a page, or a featured image. Now, open a new browser tab and go to Pexels.com. Pexels is one of the best websites for free stock photos, offering thousands of high-quality images that you can use for personal and commercial projects without attribution. When the site loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in a keyword related to the image you need, like business, nature, technology, or lifestyle, and press enter. Pexels will instantly show you a wide range of professional photos taken by talented photographers. Scroll through the results and take your time to find an image that fits your content perfectly. When you find an image you like, click on it to open the full preview. On the image page, you'll see details like the photo resolution and photographer information. To save the image, simply click on the download button. In most cases, Pexels will automatically download the highest resolution version, but you can also choose a smaller size if needed. Once the image is downloaded to your computer, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Open the post or page where you want to use the image. Click on the image block or featured image area, then choose Replace or Upload, depending on where you're adding it. Upload the image you just downloaded from Pexels and adjust the size or alignment so it looks clean and professional on your page. After making your adjustments, save or update your post. That's it. You've successfully used one of the best websites for free stock photos and added a high-quality image to your content without any cost. Before we wrap up, remember that Pexels isn't the only option out there, but it's one of the most beginner-friendly and reliable platforms you can start with. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.